Didn't expect to find me under here, did you? Welcome to the Patterson Garage, Bronx Community College's very own high-tech playground for tomorrow's automotive leaders. Here's what really revs me up. BCC has the only program like this in the entire CUNY system, the only one. And no one else has a state-of-the-art EV training garage like ours. This is where engines meet technology and where our students learn on the technology that is driving the industry forward. Yes, you've read the headlines. You already know this program is turning heads across the state. We brought in major grants to build out this facility, invest in new technology, and train the next generation of highly skilled technicians.
Mr. President. Mr. President.
Okay, so maybe I leave the technical part to them, but trust me, these students, they're ready to take the wheel using industry standard training from some of the pretty big names, Nissan, General Motors, and more. Bronx Community College, where opportunity has the horsepower and the future is electric. Bronco,
Ready!